Alright, so in this screencast, we're going to do something called nested functions. So let's say I have a function that computes the area of a circle. So I'm going to say area circle dot m. And I think I made this another one. Okay, I guess I'll just remake it. So function a equals area circle r, and then a equals pi times r squared. Okay, so if I put this guy over here and this guy over here, so if I do area circle of 5, I get the area of the circle. Now, let's say I want to create the volume of a cylinder, right? Now, I could do function v equals volume cylinder, and this is going to take two arguments, right? I need the height and I need the radius of the cylinder, right? So the area of the circle is pi times r squared, and then the volume is just h times a. And then when I come back over here to the command window, if I just type in volume cylinder of, say, let's say 2 comma 5, I get that. There's my volume of my cylinder. Now, I could actually make this even more awesome, in my opinion. I could actually go back to my function here, and instead of having pi times r squared, I could actually use the area of the circle code and pass it the argument radius. So now when I go back over here to volume cylinder, I still get the exact same answer, but notice that rather than doing pi r squared here, I actually use the area of the circle. So I have two MATLAB functions open. So if I go to here to area circle and volume cylinder, I have two different MATLAB scripts open. If you maximize this, you can click this button here in the upper right, and you can actually see both side by side. You could even do, say, 4, and now you've got 4 of them here. So let's drive this home one more time. What if I make a new function, and I call this the weight of a cylinder? So this is weight cylinder, and that's going to take, again, h comma r, and, yeah, I gotta save it, weight cylinder, and it also needs a density. Now, what is the weight of the cylinder? W is the density times the volume of the cylinder. What's the volume of the cylinder? The volume is just volume cylinder, because I already wrote it, h comma r. And then that's it. So if I put this over here again, and I'm going to hit the X here so I can see it. If I do weight cylinder of 2 comma 5, D is undefined. Because I need to give it a density. I'm going to say density is 4. Boom. Okay, now let's check this. Okay, let's say H is 2, right? R is 5. D is 4. Okay, what is the area of my cylinder? A equals pi times r squared. Okay, there's the area of my cylinder. Then the volume of my cylinder is h times a. There's the volume of my cylinder. And the weight is d times v, 628. So if I do weight cylinder of h comma r comma d, boom, 628. I get the exact same code. But notice again that this function here, weight cylinder, calls volume cylinder, and volume cylinder calls area circle. So it's a function of a function of a function, and you can do as many as you want. I think until you crash your computer, but doesn't matter. Anyway, good luck.